This is Vernee V2, the new rugged phone with IP68, waterproof, drop resistant, and dust proof. This one is 18:9 all screen with MT6763 Helio P23 octa-core chipset. The storage, there will be two versions of the V2. One is 6 plus 128 and one is 4 plus 64. There are 4 cameras for the phone. For front camera, it's 13 plus 5, and for back camera is 16 plus 5. The battery of the V2 is 6,200, and you can use this one for daily using 3 days, no problem. And also this one supports the quick charging technology. What's more, the V2 is equipped with NFC technology and also the heart rate monitor, and here is the sensor, and also the UV sensor at the top. The phone will come with Android 8.1 software and also our VOS system. Yeah, and there are 2 colors for the phone. The black one and the red one. This one is red. Here is the button for shortcut to turn on the camera. Let me show you. Sorry. So press here, and then you can turn on the camera.